Hey guys, Pete's Klein here. This is episode 4 on how to code a Java Discord API bot. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can do a BONK command, which will be utilizing creating a image and yeah, getting player avatars. So let's get started. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to declare the command. So we're going to just do JDA dot upsert command. Now we're going to call this bonk. Now the description of this is bonk another user. Now let's add a option type dot user. So it'll only be other users that you can bonk. Mention. Now the description is the person you want to bonk. Now we're gonna set the requirement to true, and then we're gonna do .q. So now let's create a slash command. I'm gonna copy the one that we did from ping command, but then call it bonk command. Now, before I forget, I'm gonna add the event listener to this. Just so then, yeah. And now, with this, let's go and get started. Okay. So let's change this to bonk. We're gonna leave the event.reply for now. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a buffed image. We're just gonna do buffed image is equals to new buffed image. Now the width of it will be 700 and the height would be 376. Now what we're gonna do is buffed image dot type underscore int RGB. Okay. Now we're gonna also need two more of these. One for the image itself. Actually, sorry, three. One for the image itself, one for avatar 1, and then one for avatar 2. So let's just do buffed image is equals to null. Then buffed image avatar 1 is equals to null. Then the third buffed image avatar 2 is equals to null. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a graphics 2D. This will allow us to actually draw on our canvas. So this is going to be G2D, and then it's going to equal buffed image dot create graphics. Now we're going to need to do a try and a catch for a IO exception e dot print stack trace. Now what we're going to do is image is equals to image image IO dot read new URL. I'm doing a URL for this just because it's the best thing I got with me so far. So yt image.const/vi/cqzkfq/maxresdefault.jpg. So now that's gonna give us our bonk image. Now av1 is equals to image.io.read new URL, but this time it's events.getMember.id get user dot get avatar URL. Now av2 is equals to image.io.read new URL events.get option string name mention.get as member.get avatar URL. So now that we have these declared, what we're going to do is g2d dot draw image starting positions is 0 0, the width is 700, the height is 376. This is just resizing those. And then after null for image observer. And now g2d dot draw image avatar1. Now we're going to draw this at 160 60, then the size is 150 by 150. Now we're also going to need a third one, which will be g2d dot draw image av2. Now this is going to be at 475 235. And this one is only going to be 120 by 120, then null. Now, once we've got those, the images are now drawn together. We now just need to get it all together, and then, yeah. So let's create a file. File is equals to new file. We're going to call this bonk.png. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do another try and catch. This time, oh, it's also IO exception. Okay, e dot print stack trace. Now this try is going to be image IO dot write. Now buffed image, it's going to be PNG format and then file. And now in this reply area, I wonder, could we do something like that? No. Okay. So reply file, and then after we could just do file. And now we can set this to false. We can queue that events dot reply, and then after we could just have something like hey, and then the mentioned user, so event dot get option mentioned dot get as member dot get user dot get name. Actually, we'll just do get user since that'll then ping the user. And then after, we're just gonna do events dot get member dot get user, and then as bonked you. So what this will do is it'll send the image, then it should go and then send a message as well with that afterwards. And yeah, okay, let's try this out. So it's just gonna build. Hopefully it goes by quick. Starting main. And there we go. Okay. So if I do slash bonk. Oh, that. Apparently the command is not. working. I think it just needs to wait a while for it to load. So I'll pause it and come back when it's finished. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. So I found out, well, it finally worked, but I found out one issue. First off, trying to do 2 replies won't work. Second off, if someone has a default profile picture, this won't work. So if I just do bonk and then tutorial, right, I needed to fix that. Rerun it. So let's wait for that to load. There we go. So slash bonk tutorial user. As you can see, it doesn't show up. So apparently a way to get around this is by doing events.get option mention dot get as member dot get have avatar URL, and if it does not equal null, then it would do this, the entire thing. But if it does equal null, then we'll just do event.get option mention get as user.get default avatar URL. Now, I should really just right here get as user. Yeah, like that. Okay. Oh, let's see here. Okay, no clue for that. But let's just rebuild this. There we go. So if I now do slash bonk tutorial, as you can see, it now just shows that. And it actually shows the correct profile depending on what it's using. For having oh jeez. For having it send the image and text, I have no clue, to be fair. um but I wait, let's try this. Um yeah, let's create like a new message thing. Message is equal to new message builder, and then dot append. Now let's just copy our message right here. Dot build. Events dot get channel dot get channel dot send file Nope, that does not work. Okay, here, let's try doing this. So, events dot reply, and then we could just do a message through here, message dot edit message with message. Change that to like message one, that there. Dot Q. So, I guess let's event dot get channel dot send message or send file. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna try doing the normal way. I'm sorry about this. Reply file. Edit original and then that. Okay, let's see if this will work. Oh, I should probably fix all of this real quick. Yeah, I was not thinking with the formatting. Okay, so let's restart this. It all logs in. If I do slash bonk tutorial user. Okay, that's something now. Get user dot get as tag, I guess. Get as tag. Oh wait, as mentioned. There we go. So now if I restart this, it's a slash bonk tutorial user, and there we go. Something like that would do the job. So I guess this is it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.